Here we will demonstrate a function test of a Haas Servo Control that we have repaired. The problem with it was the breakout board inside this compartment was damaged, and so we have repaired this, but as you can see the damage when the motor shorted. It blew a hole through the negative lead. We have desoldered the encoder leads as well, and we're going to be making a breakout cable for this and doing our test. When we control the axis, it should spin and let us change direction. So we are going to have the power on, and we will press Start Cycle. And then we are going to go ahead and press 0 Return. And we can see that it is running. This is homing position of the servo. We can see inside here where the encoder is connected and running. Now that it is homed out, you can hear the air release. And we will go ahead and do a cycle start. And you can see it moving around to our presets we have entered into the control. We'll go ahead and start another cycle. Back to our presets, and back to 0. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.